Damn it, there's a hotel there. I didn't notice until right now. Time to review some beautiful architectural abortions here in Cusco, Peru. Look at these things, but I'm saving the last one for last. And that's this jewel of good taste in design and beauty. Look at that architectural abortion from hell. That one too, oh my God. That's the new design of buildings nowadays. Downtown Cusco is beautiful, but over here is really, really depressing. And of course, you gotta see everything. You gotta see the beautiful things and the ugly fuck things. And this is the ugly fuck things. I would love to find out an electric diagram of these connections.